right, ladies and gents, so let's thread the top part of our machine. You need a spool of thread here. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is take our thread and place it on the spool holder here. Okay, make sure the thread is coming off of the right side and it goes in front of the thread. And then we are going to find this little thread lever here. Okay, so what you're gonna do is pretty much follow the guide and you're going to place it through here. So we take it and we place it through there. So that's step number one. Step two is here. So all you do is allow your thread to go inside of the little area, and then 3, it goes around and comes back up. So all we're gonna do is take the thread, we're gonna go here and just pull it back up like that. This is one of the difficult parts, but it may not be difficult for you because you are smarty pants. So what you're gonna do is take the manual hand wheel. The manual hand wheel is here. You're gonna turn it towards you. And you're going to turn it so that this take-up lever, the thread take-up lever, is in its highest position. So I'm turning it towards me until it's in its highest position. You take this thread, so I'm going, the take-up lever is here, so I'm going to go to the right of the take-up lever and then come back on the left side of the take-up lever. So here we go. I go on the right of the take-up lever, I go behind, and then I go back forward, okay? I'm gonna zoom in so you can see that up close. I'm going to the right of the lever, I'm going behind, and I'm going back. I'm coming back to the front. So I go to the right, I come behind, and then I come back to the front. Now, what you'll do is if you zoom in close, you will see that this is actually inserted in the hole of the take-up lever, okay? So it's actually in that inner piece, all right? And that's what you want, because if you do that, then threading is easy. So now we're at this part here. This is 5 here. So the next part is we will locate this clamp here. And most machines have a clamp on one of these 2 sides. And you're going to insert the thread between the clamp, like I just did. Last but not least, we will put the thread through the needle. Here's the hole of the needle here, and I'm gonna just show you some easy strategies to successfully put that thread through the hole of the needle. One strategy is you can take your scissors here, okay? You can take your scissors and you're gonna cut the end of the thread. Okay, just cut the end of the thread, and then you're going to place this through the hole of the needle, okay? Otherwise, if you don't want to do that, then you can use your automatic needle threader on your machine. If you do not want to use that, then you can also use your trusty needle threader that was located in your basic sewing kit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the old school method to put it through there manually. Okay, so I'm gonna just place this through the needle. Let's see how fast I can do this. Ooh, I got it, girls. I got it, boys. I got that thing in there. You see that? Ooh, baby. All right. So when we put the thread through the needle, one thing that we do want to watch out for is, number 1, we want to make sure that our thread is straight. We don't want our thread looped around the needle in any way, because then you have to re-thread your machine and it's going to cause frustration. So it should go straight down from this clamp through and come straight down and go through the needle to the back. So this is straight down, okay? It's through the needle and to the back. You don't want it to wrap around. You don't want it to go under here. All right, last but not least, these are the presser foot. So I call the middle, or I call this part in between the presser foot the toes, okay? So there's the toe of the presser foot. So what we're going to do is place the thread through the toe of the presser foot and let it go to the back like that. Okay, so now it's going to the back. It's through the presser foot hole here, and it's going to the back. All right. Woo! Congratulations. You did that. Yes, you did. So we have successfully threaded the top part of the sewing machine.